This will be our warm start and mixed driving video of our 1991 Alfa Romeo Spider Veloce. It is in the low 80s today. We've already had her out and everything is warmed up. Everything is up to operating temp. So we will go ahead and fire her up. See all the gauges come up. So you'll see we have water temp, excellent oil pressure after having replaced our sender unit per our PPI, good voltage on the voltmeter, tach. You'll notice we have a flashing airbag light, which has pretty much been like that under current ownership. See, we'll put our e-brake down, light goes out, and we'll get going. Big bump, you'll notice no sounds at all coming from the trans or the suspension. 1-2 shift, 2-3 shift. Gearbox is excellent. Lots of life left in the clutch, good uptake. Obviously, this is a point of view video. I'm shooting and driving, so one hand on the steering and the stick, and the other hand holding the camera. See how beautiful and easy she is to handle. Hard right. Great sound out of the factory exhaust. Steering is beautiful, not too soft, but the power makes sure you can comfortably go around a parking lot.